Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Google account email and password. This is the key to unlocking after a reset. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% and on stable Wi-Fi. Otherwise, activation may fail repeatedly. Insert the SIM so carrier verification can complete and locate any backup codes or recovery phone numbers. Once done, power on the device, tap through language and network prompts, and choose to sign in with your Google account to begin automatic restore. If your password doesn't work, you must use Google's account recovery flow. Verify via your recovery phone or backup email to reset credentials. Once signed in, enable two-factor methods like an authenticator app or SMS codes to prevent future lockouts. Make sure to select Restore from Google Backup when the setup assistant asks, because this brings back apps, contacts, and Wi-Fi networks. Also, check that Play Store and Google Play services are updated, so apps resume properly and sync completes without errors. To finish, run system updates, reinstall any missing apps, and reconfigure biometrics and security settings so your phone is secure. Make sure contacts and photos are synced. Verify backups are enabled for the future. If the device still refuses activation due to account or FRP issues, try a full factory reset using a PC and ADB only if you have developer access, or contact the carrier or device maker for FRP unlocking assistance. One quick tip: keep recovery info current to avoid repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.